my beautiful people, my beautiful familia. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie, and we have an exciting video today. Okay, exciting for me at least, because I love to look snatched. Hello, my whole channel is about beauty and all fashion things. And so today we are going to be doing a Shapermint unboxing and try on haul, Mother's Day edition, of course. I know you're thinking, but Mother's Day already passed, but we're moms for life. And if you are Haitian, then you know that Haitian Mother's Day is at the end of the month, so yeah. And so for today's video, Shapermint sent me some goodies. I'm going to unbox them with you guys and do a little try on haul. If you have never heard of Shapermint, I got you, friend. So basically, Shapermint is a brand that offers shapewear, hence the name. And shapewear is just basically undergarments that'll help pretty much enhance your physique. Helps keep you looking snatched, slim, thick, whatever you want it to do. There's something for you. So we got the bras, we got the shirts, we got the leggings, all that to help you look snatched. So if you guys are ready to see, without further ado, make sure you hit that subscribe button to become part of the familia and get your credit card out, honey. We about to go shopping because it's time to look good all year round, okay? And yes, everything in this video will be down below, links, sizes, and I will also tell you guys like my measurements so that you can know what to get for yourself. So let's jump right. I'm going to be starting off with our bras first. I am going to be looking down occasionally just for some notes that I do have. So for the bras, they sent me over two. I have the wireless bralette. This is an everyday throw on, which I'm actually wearing right now. I've been wearing it for most of the day and I love it. This is definitely going to be my new daily bra. As you can see, the texture is very nice. It feels super, not too thick, but thick enough so that, you know, it could hold the girlies. But for reference, prior pregnancy, I was or still am a 34B. I say was just because I did breastfeed for almost a year, so you know the girls are kind of sitting low right now. A little thinner than usual, than actually ever. I was a little worried that they might be a little too big because these, like I said, this isn't my most current updated bra size. I haven't done that, but fits like a glove. So I did get medium for both bras and they fit perfectly. The wireless bralette is made of 6% spandex, which helps a lot as far as the stretch and the comfortability. As I said, I want something I can wear daily that can give the girls a little help and just look good under any outfit I do have. Like I said, I am wearing it now. Doesn't feel itchy, doesn't feel too tight, and it's black. Goes with anything and everything. I do know that the everyday throw-on bra is supposed to be your everyday throw-on bra, but I do wish that there was a little more oomph at the bottom to just kind of make the girls look like this instead of like that. So that is my only complaint. Maybe if I did get a smaller size, they would have sat upright, but honestly, I think it would have been too tight if I went for a small anyway, so this is perfect. Like I said, I can add like a little silicone or whatnot to just get that boost that I'm looking for. As far as the daily comfort wire-free shaper bra, because it is made of 5% elastane, once again, you get that really nice comfortable stretch, and the texture feels amazing. You can tell that it has good quality. It's not too thin. It's not gonna like have any threads coming out. It really is a good quality bra. If you do a little jumping or endurance, it will hold them and keep them in place, which is what I like. It also feels very comfortable. Love it. No complaints for that one at all. So now for the next item, we have the scoop neck cami in this chocolate color. The size is in medium. Almost everything will be in size medium. And for reference, my measurements are 29 inches in my waist and 37 and a half sometimes in my hips. For my height, I am pretty petite, so I am weighing at 125, coming in at 5'1". Okay, I'm 5 feet. Stop. I wear shoes most of the time, so I'm 5'1". Anyways, so this is how the cami looks on me. I can't lie, this is the only one where I felt that it was a bit too snug. If I had known, I probably would have went up in a size, but I do like how tight it is, especially in my waist area, especially when you just ate, you're a little fluffy. This actually helps a lot because this is a 360 tummy control. And so my main areas are my midsection and like the bra back fat. This helps cover it all. However, my only complaint is that it's a little too long, but you could always just tuck it in jeans. And because it is long, I don't like the way it looks straight down, which is why I kind of rushed it up a bit, like create kind of like a no messy look. Does that make sense? Like, I think the scrunched up looks gives it a better look, at least in my opinion. And so that is the only thing. It is a bit long, but it feels amazing. Quality really keeps surprising me each time I'm like trying on an outfit or an item, I should say, and it just feels amazing. I really, really appreciate that they took their time into the quality, making sure that it just feels very comfortable, like a second layer of skin. Next up, we have the high-waisted shaping leggings. I got this in a blue, dark blue, kind of navy-ish color. Once again, size medium. And if you're like me and you don't have good jeans or you're not really a fan of jeans, then leggings. Shapermint leggings? Girl, go to the site now because I'm like literally serious. It's out of stock in like black, which I wear all black most of the time, but these in every color are low stock, so please pick them up. Good quality leggings. They feel amazing, very comfortable, and the best part about it is also 360 tummy control, very smoothing in all the right places, girl. Like literally the meaning of snatched. And if you know me at all, you know that I saved the best for last. Both of these items are literally my top favorites. I love everything, but these are things that I'm going to be wearing the most. So first we have the high-waisted shaper panty. This is number one for me. This is everything, okay? These are high-waisted and stretchy, very comfortable. And the most genius part is that it has that anti-slip lining on the inside so that it does not roll down. I have tried Skims in the past and it kept rolling up because it was super tight and it just kept rolling up whether I was sitting, walking, and that's super annoying. I will do some things in the video so you can see. Even when I'm sitting, it does not roll, it does not budge at all, and I really, really appreciate that because when I'm out, I don't want to worry about any mishaps in my outfit or undergarments, and so that is literally genius. Another thing that I really appreciate about Shapermint is that they are not only affordable, but they have up to 7 sizes. 7 sizes. So it runs from small to 4XL. This does come in only 2 colors, beige and black, but girl, get you both. I'm going to show you guys a video of me without it and then a video with it on so that you can see the difference. Like I said, this is just to improve and enhance your shape. Did you get body sculpting done? That's what the girls are going to be saying to you this summer, okay? So, lastly, another favorite of mine is all day, everyday, high-waisted shaper boy shorts. And I got this in black. And just like majority of the other products, it has that tummy control, the back control, which is, like I said, my most problematic areas. This is something that you can just wear in the house like this, on top of like any loungewear or underneath jeans, and it's not too thick to fit under jeans. As well has that anti-slip kind of silicone design that I was telling you about, so it keeps everything in place, does not move, roll, slip, none of that. So when it does come to like panties and these boy shorts or even the bras, things that you can wear on the daily and just feel good, look good, I'm all in. I'm definitely all in. That is something that I try to live by. If you look good, you feel good, and you have a great day. Your day becomes better. I honestly can't believe I went my whole life without wearing shapewear at all. I got more into it because, as I said, I am a new mom. Not so new, but she's a toddler now. But I am a mom, and once you you know, go through that, your body does change. This is giving me the perfect confidence boost that I do need. This is something that I can wear on a daily and feel great in. This is definitely part of my wardrobe now, for sure. Most importantly, what I do love about Shapermint is that they do have a 60-day risk-free exchange. So if you do make a mistake, no worries, because then you can always get an exchange for free, which I love. I do hope that this video has helped you a lot. I hope that you were able to find something that might work for you. And as I said, everything will be in the description box. But make sure you guys hurry. They do have a memorial sale right now. So I know some things are like out of stock or low stock. So definitely run, don't walk. And let me know what you guys think. And if you do have Shapermint, let me know your favorite items, because I just might purchase some more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can be part of the familia. You know you want to. You know you want to. And I will see you guys in my next one.